Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Elizabeth Davis if you're new here. Today's video is going to be part 2 of my fall clothing haul. Last week I posted a video of part 1 and I featured Kohl's, American Eagle, Target, and Nasty Gal. So if you haven't checked that out, I'll leave it down below and also I'll put it up on the screen for you to view. I have a lot of really cute pieces from those stores. Nasty Gal is like a huge trend right now. Everybody's purchasing on there, so definitely go check it out and see what I think of the clothes I bought. So in today's part 2 haul of the fall clothes, I am going to be featuring Old Navy and Forever 21. So just 2 stores today. Last week in my other video I featured 4 stores because I didn't purchase as many items from one spot, but today these items are much more extensive. So I'm actually going to start with the shoes that I bought, and it's these cheetah flats. I think they're so cute and so sassy. I absolutely love them. They were only, I think they were 40% off, so I got them for around $16 or $17. I can't remember for sure. These are a size 8 and I really like the pointed toe, and then with like the cutout in the arch. It's not like all the way around like a normal flat. These are really cute and I'm really excited to wear these this fall. I did wear them once to work, but I was only able to wear them for like a few hours because they started to rub the back of my heel, which is so annoying because every time I buy a pair of flats, that's what happens until they get broken, and it's like, really, I just want to wear them all day long every single day of my life because they're so cute. Oh, I need to take a chill pill. Next up, I purchased these black dress pants. Sorry, they got tangled. I was just planning on smoothly picking them up, and that didn't happen, obviously. So these are super cute. They are just a classic pair of black dress pants, and they are pretty plain, to be honest. They're just very basic, and I love these because I can wear them to work, I can wear them out if I want, and they're just really comfortable and versatile. They're nice and stretchy. I love the stretch. I mean, you can see it on camera that they have a nice give. These are the pixie cut, I believe. Yeah, and it says they never fade. I really hope that's true because that would be amazing if they didn't fade. You know how like black bottoms always just fade so quickly and it sucks? But it says these don't fade, so we'll see. I will do a full review after I wash them 5 or 6 times, and I'll let you know what they did. So here's the color when I first bought them, so let's do a review later on, so stay tuned for that. Next up I have just a couple of basic tops that I think that you guys might enjoy purchasing if you are an Old Navy fan, which I didn't used to really be that excited about Old Navy. I didn't go there very much, but then everybody started telling me, hey, you need to try Old Navy. They've really stepped up their game. Check it out, see what you think. They always have great sales. So I kind of reluctantly went in and ended up spending like $100. So $100 later, those shoes, the pants, and the next 2 tops I'm going to show you were all of my purchases. And this top, hold on, everything keeps getting caught. I don't know, whatever, sorry. This isn't a perfect clothing haul, I can't help it. This is a white baseball tee basically that I got. I don't know if it's really a baseball tee, but it's a 3/4 length sleeve, so I guess that's kind of why I called it that. And it is a ribbed material, and if you guys have watched any of my clothing hauls before, you know that I love ribbed tank tops and shirts and t-shirts and all the above. So this one has some buttons going down the front, about halfway down or quarter of the way down, I'd say, and it has a v-neck, which is really cute and kind of sassy, keeps it on trendy. It keeps it a little bit on the trendier side, and it's really comfortable, and it's true to size. I purchased a medium, and it says slim fit. To be honest, I probably could have gone with a small, but as I've said for all of my like more casual basic tops, I do like to have a little bit of that oversized so that I'm not confined to it, because normally when I wear a shirt like that, I'm going shopping, I'm running errands, I'm doing all kinds of moving around, and I don't want to be constricted. So that's usually why I like a little bit of an oversized look for a basic top, because they definitely are just much more comfortable. And this shirt has a lot of stretch to it, which is so amazing. So if you are curvier and you don't want a constricting top definitely check out Old Navy. They have so many versatile tops that are just so comfortable but so cute. They're not like boring and just like plain looking. Like this is just so cute and trendy, so I'm so excited about it. I purchased another top from the same style, and this one is like a pumpkin color. Now this looks a little bit more red on camera, but it is pumpkin. It is a true pumpkin color. It's like pumpkin spice. It's pumpkin pie. It's whatever you want to call it. It's not red, and it's really cute. It's really cute, and it's super comfortable, again, just like the white one. But again, this is just like a pumpkin color, and it's just perfect, and it is so fall. Like, come on, can you get any more fall than this shirt? I mean, I don't think you could, unless it's a sweater. This top is perfect, and it's 3/4 length sleeves, so it's not like a wintry top where it's like long and thick. It's like perfect. It's a great transitional piece. I absolutely love it, but it still will fit you fine in the winter, and it's going to keep you warm. So that concludes Old Navy. Now we're going to go right into Forever 21. I am so excited about these Forever 21 pieces, and I purchased a lot of white, cream, and pumpkin colored items, so I would say I'm sorry, but again, I'm not sorry, so I don't know. So this skirt I've shown in a couple of other videos, but it's perfect. I just have to highlight it for this dedicated fall haul. This is super cute. It's a leather skirt, and it's like a cream color. Obviously it's faux leather. I'm not out here trying to buy real leather, no thanks. This is so cute, and I love it, and it's like nice and soft, and it's a great length. It's not too short. And I also have a rather large bum. Not to be creepy, but I do. I have a thick thighs and a big booty. So this skirt, I was a little nervous to try because sometimes skirts tend to rise up in the butt area, but this skirt does not do that. It actually has a zipper in the back, which I'm thinking might be the reason why it doesn't do that, because it has some give to it, and it's long in the back. Like it's not super short in the back. It's just slightly longer in the back than it is the front. So I feel like that's really what sets it apart and creates it from being something that my butt cheeks show. So I love this skirt. I haven't paired it with anything yet. I haven't really styled it, but when I do, you can definitely look out for that on my channel and on my Instagram, because this skirt is going to be something I wear a lot this fall because I just think it's so stinking cute. Next up, I have another skirt actually, and this one is a pumpkin colored skirt. I'm going to take this hanger off. It's a little distracting. This is a pumpkin colored skirt. It's a satin skirt, which I have been on the hunt for. I have been on the hunt for a skirt like this, and it's so cute and it's so fall. It's perfect. It's the exact thing I was looking for. I do kind of wish it was just a little bit more of a silk material, but satin will do just fine, and this is so cute. And as you know, skirts like this are super trendy right now. Definitely go pick one of these up from Forever 21. This was only $15, you guys. That is a steal for a skirt like this. I see so many skirts that are like well over $30 of this style, so definitely check out Forever 21. They had some animal print ones. They had a mustard color one. Those were just the ones at my Forever 21, so definitely check out the app and the website and your local Forever 21 shop, because you got to get your hands on one of these because they're going to go like that, because these are super on trend right now and for an amazing price. So I have 2 more items in this fall clothing haul, and that will conclude the fall haul clothing series. At least for now. I don't know. I'm probably going to go buy more clothes after this. I'm not going to act like I'm not. I'm totally going to do it when I get my paycheck in like 3 days. So for this week though, this is going to conclude the series. So I have 2 sweaters that I'd like to show you. And this is a white sweater. This is so cute. I'm excited because I can wear this in the winter too. Right now it's a little bit warm for this sweater, so I won't be able to wear it right away, but it's really great because we are going to have really cold fall days coming up sooner rather than later. As much as I kind of wish that it could stay like a nice warm crisp fall, we are going to get cold days. So this is what I got for that. I'm fully prepared because not only is it super cute, but it's also really trendy, and it's different because it has this really cute rip detail at the top and the shoulder, and then at the bottom it's frayed, and it's so cute. My gosh, I just love this so much. It's so trendy, and it's like and it's turtleneck, so it'll keep me warm around the neck in the winter, because where I work it gets really cold in the office. It's freezing and it makes my bones hurt, so this is perfect for one of those days when it's like so cold outside and cold in the office. I can wear this and just be really comfortable. And then it has some rips in the back as well, so it has a rip in the shoulder and it has a rip right here at the bottom. I'm gonna have to cut the tag out because the tag is going to show in the seam, it's gonna show out the hole in the back. So, and last but not least, I have my favorite item that I purchased from Forever 21, which is this cream sweater, and I actually wore this to work on Friday. It's super cute. It's a true cream color. It's not like an off-white, and it's not white. It's cream, and it's got like little holes, so it's a really lightweight sweater, which is perfect because it's still not overly cold yet, and I can still look like a basic white girl in this sweater without roasting to death. So I'm really excited about it, and it's really comfortable, and it's lightweight, like I said, and it's a little bit oversized. So I purchased this in a medium, and it's not like too big and it's not too small. It's just so comfortable, and I'm really in love with it, and it looks cute with jeans. It's gonna look cute with that white skirt that I showed. It's gonna look really cute with that cream leather skirt that I showed you. Well guys, that concludes the fall clothing haul this time around. Stay tuned for more clothing hauls. I'm probably going to do a couple of styling videos for you guys, just a lot of different fall clothing fashion ideas. I'm really excited to style all of those clothes, so stay tuned to see how I do that. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a thumbs up, you know the drill. Thank you so much again, and I will see you all in the next video. Adios.